Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world, but most people ignore it and stay broke for life. Here's why compound interest is your secret weapon to becoming a millionaire. You don't have to work 60 hours a week forever to get rich. The rich don't just earn money, they make it. Multiply. The secret? Compound interest. In this video, I'll break it down so simply that even a 12-year-old could use it to get rich. And at the end, I'll show you exactly how much money you need to invest monthly to retire a millionaire, even if you start late. What is compound interest? Compound interest is when your money earns money, and then that money earns more money. It's not just addition, it's exponential growth. Example, $100 invested at 10% on $110 next year. Year after, 10% of $110, $121, then $133, $146, $161. It doesn't look like much at first until it explodes. Why it's so powerful. Most people underestimate the power of time, but with compound interest, time is your best friend. Show side-by-side examples. Sarah starts at 20, invests $200 a month for 10 years, then stops. Jake starts at 30, invests $200 a month for 35 years. Sarah ends up with more money at retirement. Why? She let time do the heavy lifting. How much should you invest? You don't need thousands, you just need consistency. Breakdown, $100 a month at 10% annual return, $200,000 in 30 years. $500 a month car, $1,000 in 30 years. 1,000 month, mark millionaire in under 20 years. So action step, choose an amount you can commit to, even 50 month, and automate it into an index fund or compound-friendly asset. Where to put the money? Not all investments compound equally. You want assets that grow and pay returns that get reinvested. Examples, low-cost index funds like S&P 500, dividend-paying stocks, REITs, real estate investment trusts, crypto with staking, higher risk. So action step, start with a Roth IRA investment app like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Robinhood and automate monthly contributions. Mistakes to avoid. Most people kill their compounding by making these three mistakes. 1. Withdrawing early. 2. Stopping contributions. 3. Jumping in and out of the market. Compounding is like baking. If you keep opening the oven door, you ruin the cake. Compound interest isn't flashy, but it's unstoppable. If you start today, you'll thank yourself every year for the rest of your life. Subscribe now and drop a comment below with the amount you're ready to invest. Let's grow together.